Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Miss My Blush. My name is Muskan. For all you guys who are new here, for all you guys who are already a part of my family, welcome back. I hope you guys are happy, healthy and safe. And for all the people who are new here, why aren't you a part of my family? Please subscribe to my channel and become a part of my family. In today's video, I'm about to do something very risky. I am about to color hair. Not anybody's hair, not even my hair. I'm coloring my mom's hair. My mom has decided to be my model of the day, and I am really scared, but I'm also confident because I really have watched a lot of videos on this particular hair color, and I really trust the brand and I really like the hair color, so I'm really excited to finally color my mom's hair. Okay, so the hair color that I'm going to be using is the L'Oreal Paris Casting Creme Gloss Conditioning color. The shade that I'm going to be using is 415 Iced Chocolate. Now they have a lot of shades. I just want to mention that before getting into the video. They have a lot of shades, and you will definitely find a shade that will match your hair. Or they also have like beautiful colors if you want to experiment. Before doing this, I actually watched a girl's video of coloring her hair into burgundy, and her hair looked so hot that I'm almost too tempted to color my own hair, but for now I'm going to stick to my mom's hair because I just recently got mine colored. But coming on to the color, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Paris Casting Creme Gloss Conditioning color. It has no ammonia. It will give you a rich ultra glossy hair color look, and it also has optimal gray coverage, which my mom needs. And it comes with a shine mask which has royal jelly in it, which I'm very excited to talk about in the rest of the video. And this retails for only 550 rupees, which I think is amazing. Plus this hair color will last you for up to 28 washes, which according to me, if I calculate, which I'm very bad at, it will last you up to 3 months or 3 to 4 months. However, two things I want to mention before I start this video is you should do a patch test before putting anything directly on your hair. Please do a patch test on your elbow, on your neck, anywhere you want to. Please apply moisturizer around your forehead and on your ears so that you don't stain your skin where you don't want to. Okay, so before getting into the process of how I did it, I want to show you what's inside the packet. So we get 4 things inside the packet. The first thing is a pamphlet, a brochure, whatever you want to call it. It has everything that you need. It has instructions. Please read before you do anything, as I read it like a million times before putting color on my mom's hair. The next thing is the creme colorant, which is the main color as I see it. And the second thing is the developer. Developer comes in a tube. And the fourth thing is the shine mask with royal jelly, which is, spoiler alert, so good. Like I want to use it. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. Now I'm going to welcome my mother, who's literally the prettiest model I could have asked for, and I'm going to color her hair. I'm excited for you guys to see this. Okay, so quickly I'm going to tell you how I made and mixed the color. So I basically took the developer bottle and I put the colorant creme into the developer bottle. But let me just tell you that my mom has mid-length hair and she did not need the entire thing. So just make sure that you do not use the entire bottle on your mid-length hair or short hair. I had to color my chachi's hair after I colored my mom's hair. So I mixed the entire bottle, but you don't really need to do that. You can actually use the color twice or thrice if you save it. So yeah, it's a great thing, guys. I mean, in 550 you get to color your hair twice and thrice, which is amazing. But I had to do it for 2 people who have mid-length hair, so I decided to mix the entire bottle. But if you have long thick hair, you will need the entire bottle. Just read the instructions, watch videos before you do it, and just do it. Don't think too much about it. That's what I did. I mixed the colorant with the developer, and then I dampened my mom's hair. I basically took a water sprayer, I sprayed it on her hair, I made her hair damp, and then I started sectioning her hair and applying the color everywhere, like on her entire hair, the root, the ends, everywhere. In fact, once I was done, I really massaged her hair. I gave her a complete salon experience, but my camera died right before I was giving her a head massage, so I couldn't record that bit. But yeah, I gave her a very nice head massage, and then she washed her hair after 20 minutes. You only have to keep this on for 20 minutes, so which is great. Again, you get to like you color your entire hair in just 20 minutes. Then she washed her hair. You do not have to use a shampoo. She just basically rinsed the color off with water, and then she applied the shine mask with royal jelly. And oh my god, without even blow drying her hair was so soft and so glossy, and it looked so beautiful. Like it was really beautiful. Her hair looked really beautiful. The next day we had a party, so I basically like curled her hair, and she was looking so pretty. Here's a clip of her after, and her hair looked so pretty. I kept telling my mom she looks like 15 years younger because of her hair color, and my mom loved it too, guys. I mean, she was so happy with the color. She was so happy with the softness of the hair, which is why I told you I'm going to be obsessing about the shine mask in the video. She really liked the shine mask, and my mom keeps saying ki yaar Lux mein milta hai kya, because the shine mask is really good. So yeah, she really liked the hair color, she really liked the shine mask, she really liked how the hair ended up looking, and I am proud of myself, but also I'm proud of L'Oreal Paris for helping me do it. The hair color is beautiful. I love it. My mom loves it. Both of us are really impressed with it. In fact, after doing her hair and after watching all these videos of other people coloring their hair by using this color, I'm really tempted to color my hair. I recently got it colored, so I'm going to control it. But if you happen to try this color, please tag me in your pictures. I might just get inspired and do my hair color. In fact, let me know in the comments if you guys want me to color my own hair on camera. I will do it for you guys. I mean, I will use you guys as an excuse to do it. And now Lara is barking, so I need to go. But this color is amazing. We're really impressed by it. 110% recommend. They have beautiful shades. It is affordable. It is great. It is all things good. Go buy it. All the links are in the description box below. And that's it. Please subscribe to my channel. Please like this video if you found it helpful. Comment to tell me what other video would you like to watch. And I'll see you super soon in my next video. Bye bye.